Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for the Euro US dollar FX for Monday, July the 6th. Well, a continuation of the first time frame downtrend, and we have a lower high and a lower low again, which is a continuation of this previous trend here. The previous day's trading was an inside day, but the day before that we had a lower high and a lower low, so a continuation. But we have a green candle. It's not what we want to see in a downtrend. In a downtrend, for the trend to be healthy, we'd like to see red candles, and we'd like to see the body of that candle increasing as well, the size of the body. Now, we've had the body become very, very small. The previous day's body was very small in relation to the day before that, and today's body is quite small compared to the previous day and the day before that. So a very, very large reduction in the size of the body of the current candle, and that means that neither side has made very little progress. It means, because the candle is green, that the bulls have made some net progress on the day, but only very small net progress as well. Now, just looking at the other characteristics of the candle, we have quite a long shadow on the bottom of the candle, and that means that there's been upside price rejection. As the market tried to sell off, the buyers came in. So that tells us something about the health of the downtrend as well, that the trend is not very healthy. What we want to see is the bears in the ascendancy as the market's selling off in a downtrend, but we've got the bulls in the ascendancy here. The market is closed up towards the high, which means that on the day, the bulls have closed the market with some strong control, and they're fairly strongly committed. Now, they weren't committed enough, though, to take out the previous day's high, so that says something as well. But we can see here, this area here where we had the previous two shadows is obviously an area of support, and the market tried to trade down through there, and the buyers came in once again and bought the market up. So we need to watch the high of the current candle for a new first time frame uptrend potentially to begin. But remember, we've identified this very strong area of resistance up here, so if the market does trade up into this zone, we have a potential area where the market will sell off and eventually trade down to this zone here. So we have a market that's trading within a very large range, and if we look at the Kijun-sen, that's been pointing flat for some time, which means that the market is basically not trending, that there's very little direction in the market. And we can look here that we have this congestion area bounded here by resistance and support, and resistance, support, resistance, support. Interestingly, though, as the market is trending up into this zone, and we're making slightly higher and higher net progress on the previous two swing highs in this second time frame uptrend, we're making higher troughs as well, and that potentially says something about the market, that the market is likely to continue trending up in the second time frame, and that we potentially may make another higher swing high and take out this swing high. But this zone here, anything can happen once the market trades within this zone, because this zone has been so strong when the market's approached in there, and it's been sold off quite strongly. But we need for the current high of this candle to be taken out. Now, if we look at where we're trading in relation to the Kumo, we're trading above the Kumo or the cloud, which means that the market has a positive bias to it. But we're still trading down below the Tenkan-sen and the Kijun-sen, which means that the market is short to medium term negative. If we do trade up above there, then could be a good potential, very, very short-term trade for us to go long, to trade into this zone of resistance. But fairly risky, because as we identified previously, that we can sell off anywhere from within this zone. So that would be a very small time frame potential trade for us to take.